All right, are we ready to go outside?
Yes. Yes. Mossy, 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 mossy. Yeah! Snow. The houses are eating snow. Hey, want to ask if Cindy can play outside? Whee! Hey, this actually getting harder. Snowman!
You guys should make snow angels.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Get beside her, Emily.
I can't because all the footprints.
We'll go over there. Hey, Emily, watch Haley.
There.
Yay! You want to make a snow angel, Emily? Do you know how? Haley, show her how to make a snow angel.
Yeah, lay down.
See, it looks like an angel. You do it, Emily. Lay down. Lay down. And then you swing your arms and legs out. Do it really big. There you go. Snow angel.
Honey! Come here, honey! We miss you, honey. Is this honey?
Yeah.
Honey! Honey! Honey, don't catch my stuff!
Honey's enjoying the snow.
I never saw a dog that likes snow before.
Don't hit the dog.
I meant to hit